Welcome to PreMath. In this video lesson, I am going to show you an interesting trick called 7-11-13 trick, and we will not be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And here's the trick. If we multiply any three digits number with these 7, 11, and 13, and here I wrote down these three numbers 7 times 11 times 13. And now we are going to multiply this with the three digit numbers 2, 4, 7. Then our answer is going to be we're going to repeat this number twice. As you can see, 247 and 247, and that's our answer. And here's one more example. We are going to multiply 235 with this number 7 times 11 times 13. Then our answer is going to be simply 235, 235. We are repeating twice. And here's one more example. This time we are going to multiply by 888. Then this answer is going to be, we're going to be repeating twice. 888 and then 888 once again. And now you might be wondering why our answer is repeated twice. And here's the simple justification. If we multiply 7 times 11 times 13, we are going to get 1001, 1001. Whenever we are going to multiply by a three-digit number with 1001, our answer will always be repeated twice. And here I have given two more examples, as you can see over here. Hope you enjoyed this trick. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.